I have a big secret that I've been holding out from you guys. And I've been dying to tell you, so now everything is official and I now can tell you. Nothing's small or nothing's large enough for me to handle, so if you do got trouble, come on, brother. So the big reveal is that I am now... Hey guys, this is Sky Bobby and you're watching Sky Bobby TV, and I have a big secret that I've been holding out from you guys, and I've been dying to tell you, so now everything is official and I now can tell you. So hold on, I'll tell you in a minute. Once you hear the drum roll, I will tell you, but welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. How you doing? I'm a flight attendant by day, who knows what at night. And if you're not a subscriber, now's a good time to subscribe because you are missing out on one of a heck of a YouTube channel. Pat on my back. Anyway, so the big reveal is that I am now, drum roll, I'm an official virtual travel agent. Yes, sirree. I can book all your excursions now. I am certified to book hotels, car rentals, vacation package, cruises from some of the world's #1 cruise companies, hotel chains, Disney, concerts, whatever you can book, I can book it, and probably at a better rate. I do have a website now, which I'll put in the description down below. You can go to that website and you can actually book your travels yourself, like a hotel.com or expedia.com. That's the way my website is set up. Or if you want me to do all the dirty work and book itinerary, groups, you can also send me a message on my Instagram and I can book it for you at great discounted prices. Especially the cruises, they're giving like 50% off on these cruises. Asia right now is going on sale because of the coronavirus. People are very scared to go to Asia, but it's not Asia, people, it's just China right now. But in fact, I'm doing a group tour for Bali, Indonesia in August. I have like a group of 10 people, which is one of my first bookings. I'm so excited about that. Nothing's small or nothing's large enough for me to handle, so if you do got travel plans, think of a brother. I've already booked myself a trip on my own website, which was kind of cool. Actually, tomorrow I'm heading to Maui, Hawaii. I'm going with my husband and my mother-in-law. My mother was supposed to go, but she backed out at the last second. But okay, Mom, we'll get you on the next tour. And I'm going to spend 5 days in Maui, and definitely I'll be bringing the camera with me to give you guys the full scoop and tell you all about the trip. So if you're wanting to go to Hawaii, I'll be like firsthand to tell you like where to stay, where to go, and all that good stuff. So it'd be a good idea to book with a brother like me, give some brother support. So I'll put the website probably right here or definitely in the description box down below. So go check it out, start booking. I'm ready to go. And again, I can book anything from Disney trips to cruises to concert tickets, Broadway shows. I can do it all. And I'm so excited to dig in and get to work, so send me some work.